So in this problem, we need to find out the value of tangent of 2x, given that cosine of x is 4 over 5 and x is an acute angle. Let us begin. Now, to find out the tangent of 2x, we have a standard formula for this. It's given by 2 times tangent of angle x divided by 1 minus tangent squared x. Now, we need to find out the value of tangent x, but we are given here the value of cosine of x. So let's use this value. We're going to label this as number 1. Now, we have the value of cosine of x that's equals to 4 over 5. Now, we will be considering a right-angled triangle. Let's say this is the acute angle x. We have the opposite, then we have the hypotenuse, and we have the adjacent, which is b. Now, it's given here that cosine of x is 4 over 5. We know that cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means the adjacent value, that is going to be 4, and the hypotenuse will be 5, which means by using the Pythagoras theorem, then the opposite comes out to be 3. So from this particular triangle, now we can define the value of tangent Tx. So tangent of x is given by the opposite over the adjacent. So that means tangent of x comes out to be 3 over 4. Fine. So let's use this value and substitute into 1. So now 1 will become tangent of 2x equals to 2 times tangent of angle x. So that's 2 multiplied to 3 over 4. Divided by 1 minus, we have tangent of x whole squared, so we'll get 9 over 16. So this will be equals to, so we have 2 times 3 over 4 whole divided by 16 minus 9 over 16. So let's further simplify. So we have 2 times 3 over 4 that we have divided by 16 minus 9 over 16. So this is simply multiplied to 16 divided by 7. Fine. So we have 4 times 4, that's 16. So this gives us 2 times 3, that's 6. 6 times 4, that's 24. So we're going to get 24 over 7. And this is going to be the value of tangent of 2x.